Ndewono, hello, no, welcome. I am Ifi Yokiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today I have some of my students here with me, and we're going to continue with the alphabets in Igbo language. The alphabets for today are O, P, R, C, and T. A word that starts with O is
chair.
Good job. Oche, which means chair. The next alphabet is O. A word that starts with O is
Ocha, which means white or clean.
Good job. Ocha, which means white or clean. The next alphabet is P. A word that starts with P is
Poto, which is muddy puddles.
Good job. P. Poto, which means muddy puddles. The next alphabet is R. A word that starts with R is Rie, which means eat. The next alphabet is C. A word that starts with C is
Soro, which is follow.
Good job. C. Soro, which means follow. The next alphabet is T. A word that starts with T is
Toro, which means turkey.
Good job. T. Toro, which means turkey. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.